Here we have a package just came in. Let me look at the paperwork. This came out of New York State. 2010 Ducati 696 Monster. So they should have sent the ignition. Alright, that's the ignition. We have to make the key from scratch to that. This should be a dashboard cluster. Alright. So here we have the dashboard cluster. Here we have the ignition. We wanted to make the key from scratch to the ignition. We're actually going to make 2 keys with the chips, pre-program them to this cluster. We'll come back with it programmed. We're back at this Ducati. We're a little pressed for time. We get ready to ship it out. We have 40 minutes to get to the post office, but here's the 2 keys. We made it from scratch. I took a picture of my screen. Key 1, key 2 is in the system. So on, off, steering bolt. Same here, on, off, steering bolt. And that's it. So you need our help, give us a call. We've been doing this for quite a while. I'm not going to say the jobs are easier. The jobs are still hard to do. You still have to pay attention. We just have a lot more experience with it. And that's about it. Each one of these I have to take my time and pay attention to what I'm doing to make sure that the outcome is you getting the package back and everything's working correctly, and you riding around the bike having a good time. So that's about it. You need our help, go to the website www.acmblocksmithgroup.com. click on mail-in services. If you need tech support, that's not what we do. You may want to contact the dealership. Thank you.